Hey YouTube, this is Kirkus007. It's been a while since I did a video because I injured my shoulder. So anyway, I'm back and feeling a lot better right now, so I'm going to be doing another box of nickels. And hopefully they're all old. Looks like there's a few old ones in here, that's good. Alright, I'll show you what I get. Alright, bye-bye. Hey YouTube, this is Kirkus007. Just wanted to show you what I found out of the nickel box, starting off with a 1940 San Francisco. Uh, 1942 Denver. Believe it's a 43. The date is completely obliterated, but it is silver due to the S that's over the building. They only did that for the silver eras and the nickels, so it's worn, but it is silver. The next two are 1947 San Franciscos. 1951 San Francisco. There's only seven something million of these. Hang on. YouTube's bit quality is not that good anymore, so I have to use that for 51. Yeah. Let's see. 1952. San Francisco, and 1954 San Francisco. Anyway, if you liked what you saw, please subscribe, and I will subscribe to you as well. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.